TelOne Self-Service Portal is designed for your absolute convenience. Visit website www.telone.co.zw. On interface, select Self-Service Portal. For recharge using EcoCash, select Direct or Pinless Recharge. Recharge with PIN, select Voucher Recharge. Voucher Recharge. Enter recharge PIN or vouch number. Click Recharge Account. Type capture code and validate. Confirm account name. Recharge account. Direct recharge. Select Direct or Pinless Recharge. Click Purchase. Type capture code and validate. Confirm account. Select payment option. Enter EcoCash number. Authorize transaction with EcoCash PIN. Make use of the TelOne Self-Service Portal and make time for the things you love to do the most. TelOne, the future is better together.